Meaning of fragmented.
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 Fragmented. Fragmented refers to something that is broken or divided into parts. It can refer to physical objects, systems, or even ideas. When something is fragmented, it often lacks coherence and unity. This can lead to confusion, inefficiency, and difficulty in understanding. Relationships, societies, and political systems can become fragmented when there is a lack of communication, trust, or cooperation. In contrast, unity and coherence can lead to a stronger and more effective system. Therefore, it's important to identify and address areas of fragmentation in order to create a more harmonious and efficient environment.